Today, we will be making marshmallow-free Kellogg's Rice Krispie Squares using peanut butter and homemade maple syrup. We will be using Rice Krispies that are made with whole grain brown rice. Lightly grease a cake pan and put it off to the side. Use a medium or large sized pot to mix and heat your ingredients. Our first ingredient today is going to be 1 cup of peanut butter. Next, we're going to match this with 1 cup of maple syrup. You can use store-bought stuff if that's what you have. Today we're lucky and we have a container of maple syrup that was made in my home community of Whitefish River First Nation last spring by the family. Our maple syrup is a good natural sweetener. It's rooted in culture and tradition for Indigenous people here in Canada, and this is going to be a lot better than melting down a big bowl of marshmallows. Now this is ready to go on a low heat. We're going to be stirring it regularly until it's well mixed and it starts to bubble. But before we do that, I'm going to measure out our Rice Krispie portion of this recipe. And we are using Rice Krispies made with whole grain brown rice. With this 1 cup and 1 cup, we are going to put 9 cups of our Rice Krispies. Okay, so now that this is good and hot, we are going to add our Rice Krispies to it and mix it up. Okay, so we are good and mixed. I'm going to squish this into my pie tin now. And what we're going to do is we're going to squish it flat using like a cutting board or a spatula or like a little pan or something like that. Get it all squished down. Now we are going to let this chill in the fridge, covered, for half an hour. Okay, so this has sat in the fridge for 1 hour. It's ready to go. Let's take it out of here, flip it over, and see what we got. Okay, and we did it. These turned out really good. Now you're going to want to keep these in an airtight container in the fridge. They're not going to have the same shelf life as like a regular individually packaged Rice Krispie square because it doesn't have all those preservatives, which we don't want anyways. Now because we've avoided the marshmallows, we actually come out of here with a Rice Krispie square that has half the sugar that a normal marshmallow Rice Krispie square has. And if you substitute your peanut butter for a wow butter, then you can have a treat that's safe for school. So try it out at home. It's a lot of fun, it's a great alternative, and with the new year upon us, this is one of many small changes that we can make that's going to benefit our health and our wellness for the whole year.